you're looking at the problem. There's the problem right there. I got the battery disconnected, but the ski's supposed to come out. No good. Here's the solution. Gentleman I bought the truck from left this in the console, center console, and I don't know how good it is, but there's a new one, and there's the instructions. I've already read these a little bit before, and I guess I'm lucky I'm working on a Ford right now, because on a Chevy I'd have to take the steering column, horn, and a whole 9 yards apart, whereas on this Ford there's just a plastic piece underneath the ignition that you can take off, but according to the instructions I don't really need to do that. It's telling me all I need to do is take a number 8 drill bit, which is about a 3/16, I believe, close to it, and insert it into a hole underneath the steering column, push up, make sure the ignition is in the run position, and the ignition should just pull out, and if no one has turned this one, I should be able to put this one right in and turn it, and there I go. So if it don't work, then the truck won't start, and I will have to take something else apart. But I'm going to show you, if I can, what I'm supposed to do. I believe there's the hole. All I feel is wiring. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can take this piece off right here. And 4 screws, I believe. Maybe there's 4 in it, I don't know. And then when I get it off, I'll see what I'm looking at. We'll all see what we're looking at. I just sort of peeled the cover back a little ways. It should just come on out, but it wants to fight me, so it's on us. Anyway, you can see. Okay, right up here in the ignition switch, there is a little indentation. This is not the right size drill bit. This is too big. I definitely need one much smaller than the number 8. The key needs to be in the run position. This is a number 27 bit, and I just sort of push up in there quite a bit like that. And I can see that it's moved back. It said to disconnect this key reminder alarm, but I don't know about that. Now I should be able just to pull this whole assembly out. Maybe there's a connection for the key reminder. And I imagine it touches right there. That spot right there. Anyway, it was just the angle I was at. It's coming right out. Now I'll take a look-see at this one right here. And it says here, lock cylinder is shipped ready for installation. And the steering column. Do not rotate the key clockwise until lock cylinder is installed into the steering column. You got it, Toyota. Now let's see how this goes. Pin goes down. That does not look like the run position to me. Somebody has been playing with this, I think. Or they couldn't do anything with it, because I screwed it up. I don't know. I will tell you that that is not the run position. Okay, so what I did is I just turned this to the run position. It was like half a turn off, and I checked it with the other one and make sure they look the same. And this little pin right here is up inside, because when you turn it from the run position to the off position, this pin comes down and locks the thing inside the column. So all I need to do now is to push it back in here, hopefully like this. Weasel it around. Come on. Okay, wasn't quite to the right position. All right. Now, let's give it a try. Wow. There we go. Is anybody seeing that? Start, run, accessory, I guess, off, key out. Okay, I have it installed. You can see the pin is in there, it's not sticking out. And the wire, which is right here, where is it? There it is on top there. Okay, that wire goes over the top of the ignition switch, way back up in there at the top, and it just, like it found a home, pushed in. Whether it got it right or not, I don't know. I'm going to have to hook up the battery cable and find out. So I'm going to go do that. We'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. That's supposed to be the radio. Well, it is the radio. Okay, that's the accessory. It's hitting all the right spots. There we go. Somewhere in here, there we go, key comes out. I'm going to go get some lubricant. Let's lubricate this cylinder, and I'm going to put the plastic back together. This repair is done, and I'm very happy with it. So until the next video, Car, Trucks, and Detours, I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing, and bye for now.